guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing makeup on my beautiful model Imani. I'm trying to bring back the classic red lips. So right now I'm just wiping down her face with some micellar water to get rid of all the oil and dirt from her skin. Then moving on to moisturize her lips with this lip balm. I think it's from Max and More. I'll leave all the details in the description box for you guys. To moisturize her skin, I'm going to be taking my all-time favorite luminous moisturizer from tmessential. And now I'm just spreading that out with this brush. I believe it's from Glam. I got it. And then to prime, I'm using my beauty blender dry oil. So now taking this illuminator from Glam Girl Beauty brand. I think it's the shade Milky Way. So I'm just going to put this on all the highest point of her face because I just want this glow from within look. So now for foundation, I'm using the Glam Girl Beauty World foundation in the shade Cinnamon. And I'm using this brush. This brush is from Real Techniques. I think it's their foundation buffer brush. So now for contour and highlight, I'm using the Black Opal Stick Foundation in Beautiful Bronze and then the Zikel Cosmetics Concealer in the shade Neutral. So now using this brush from Sigma Beauty, I believe this is their tapered highlighter brush. I'm using this to blend in the contour shade. So now to blend out my contour, I'm using this beauty sponge from Glam. So now to set in all the concealer, I'm using my airspun setting powder. So to set the rest of the face, I used my Milani face powder in the shade Medium. I just placed some extra setting powder under her eyes to catch any fallouts because we're about to do the eyes, and the one I use is from Juvias Place. So now going in with some random brown concealer. After blending out the concealer, I'm going to take my Juvias Place Warrior palette and those two shades, I'm going to pop that in her crease. Now going in with the next shade, I'm going to pop that in the outer corner of her eyes. Now moving into my Mood Beauty palette, I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to pop that in the middle part of her eyes all the way to the front. Also taking that color from my Abh X Jackie on her palette, I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of her eyes. Blending that out with my Sigma Beauty Diffuse Crease brush. So for brows, I'm using my brow lotion from Yanga Beauty. My model has very beautiful natural brows, so I'm just filling out the places that don't have as much hairs to give her brows a definite shape. So to set all of that, I'm using my Blot Cosmetics brow gel. I think it's in the shade Chocolate. For lashes, I'm using the wynkk lashes. I don't remember the style, but I'll leave all the details in my description box for you. So for mascara, I'm using this one from Zara Cosmetics, and then I'm going back into my Warrior palette and taking the first brown shade I used on her lower lash line. Then also putting some mascara on her lower lash line as well. I also went in and did some false lower lash line lashes, and this one I'm using is from wynkk lashes. So for highlight, I'm using the Too Faced Pink Diamond highlighter. I'm just going to put this on all the areas the light naturally hits her face to highlight her cheekbones, the bridge of her nose, her forehead, and her chin. Waterline, I'm using this dark brown pencil from Makeup Store. So now to line her lips, I'm using this pencil from Sleek, and I think it's in the shade Cherry. And that completes the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you like this kind of videos, please leave a comment down below and I'm sure to make more. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye guys.